Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need tools and proof, so start now. Install your chosen NLE and configure a fast, stable upload. 5 to 1 Gbps speeds make transfers practical. Once done, create or export 3 to 5 concise showreel pieces with correct codecs and aspect ratios. This proves skill quickly. Make sure to organize assets on an external SSD and pick headphones that reveal mix issues. These steps get you market-ready and explain why clients hire based on speed, reliability, and clear examples. Next, solidify how you work so you can scale. You should build templates, LUT, and export presets to shave hours off routine edits. Automations let you focus on storytelling. Then set clear pricing, hourly, flat, or retainer, and decide billing details like invoices and tax forms. Use a project management board and strict file naming with version control to avoid confusion. Once you have this, clients perceive professionalism, and your delivery becomes predictable, which wins repeat business. Finally, start reaching out and refining. You should pitch at least 10 prospects, combine cold email with platform bids, and network in creator communities. This fills your pipeline. Once you land work, collect feedback and iterate on your portfolio, then raise rates after consistent wins. If something goes wrong, like failed transfers, test router ports, switch transfer protocols, and temporarily compress to H.264 to complete delivery. This keeps clients happy while you troubleshoot the underlying issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.